So Jeff, based on some of the things that you and I were discussing, I'd really like to show you the 241 QBXL. It's a Salem Cruise Light by Forest River. It's got a lot of the features that you said were most important to you. Let's start at the front of the unit.
Okay.
It does have the electronic tongue jack, so it's going to make your time setting up your RV much easier. And of course, that's going to add to the enjoyment that you and your wife and your lovely grandchildren that you brought with you today are going to have. The Salem Cruise Light that we have here also has a lot of storage built into it. One of the nice things that Salem does here is they make these fully accessible, and they give you the magnetic backing up here, so that you're not going to have to worry about getting additional stitches on your head or getting some knots or bumps later on.
I've had those.
So this is very nice.
Yeah.
Big and beautiful. And of course, since you've done some camping before, all those containers that you have, your clothes and the Sterilite containers,
Yeah.
they're going to stack real nicely and go in here, and they'll be a little more resistant to the smells and odors that you might gather from having things on the outdoors.
Right.
Or dirty clothes, how sometimes you have that fragrance that comes attached with it. So nice unit, real nice unit. It has a lot of other features to it too that are enjoyable, such as they're all prepped for solar.
Oh, good. My wife actually is into solar right now,
So you'll be able
seems to be a trend.
You'll be able to put a trickle charge into the battery. The unit comes with twin 20-pound propane tanks in front. That'll be fully loaded and ready for you when you come to pick up your new camper from us. It's an electronic awning that'll give you plenty of shade on those days where it's very, very sunny and hot outside. And you did say that you were a Falcons fan.
I am.
And my heart goes out to you because
thank you.
You guys took a real beating with the Patriots in the Super
did.
Bowl a couple of years ago. But we don't.
Yes, we did.
We won't mention that. Okay. But
we took a beating in the second half. Not the
actually,
first.
just in the fourth quarter. You guys played lights out in the beginning of the game.
Yeah, right.
But later on, when you're outside and you're enjoying your RV, we don't want you to miss any Falcons games. So you can have your TV out here with you and have it hooked up.
Oh, nice.
Plug into electricity here. The unit is already prepped for cable and satellite.
Okay.
So you won't have to miss any Falcons games.
Very good.
Now, another thing that this Salem Cruise Light does have with it, it has the solid steps which give you better stability. So as you're walking up, you don't have to worry about bouncing up the steps. It's a very stable experience, and you'll make it up there. They're nice and wide. They are adjustable too. And you have twin axles. Twin axles will give you a quieter ride, a more stable ride. They're nitrogen filled, so it's more resistant against losing air pressure, because it's not air, it's a nitrogen gas. It's a more stable gas. And they're a little bit further set further apart than some of your other twin axles, which gives you more stability and a quieter, easier ride.
Very good.
Now, it's kind of raining a little bit, so we're going to take you inside the unit right now. Just watch the step.
Thank
See
you.
how easy those steps
Yeah.
are in coming up?
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah, they give you a nice feel for it. So some of the other things that you mentioned were most important, Jeff, was the walk around bed.
Yes.
In this Salem Cruise Light, you have that. It's got lots of storage underneath it. It has USB ports and electrical jacks on both sides. And it does have closets on both sides, or as my wife would call it, hers and hers closets.
Yeah. Mine do.
But it's a very nice bed. It gives you a nice ambiance to it. The Salem Cruise Light also has a curtain here, so you have some privacy. If you do have your grandchildren with you and you want them
good.
to, you know,
quiet down and
quiet down.
go to sleep.
All right. The couch folds out into a bed. It's a jackknife couch,
Oh, very
and
good.
it's very easy. Let me demonstrate this for you.
All right.
Okay. And it comes out just like that.
Wow.
And then
That
when you
is
want
easy.
to put it back together, you just push it in, and there you go. 1, 2, 3. Very easy. A lot of food prep area. You said you were much into cooking, so this is going to help you. Cut resistant countertop at your stove, a 3-burner stove, by the way. And while we're talking about cooking, Jeff, let's not forget the oven and the microwave. This unit has it all. Entertainment. You have your television you said you were going to bring with you. The Salem Cruise Light does not come with a television. However, that works very well for you because we have a spot here where you can put a bracket on there. We recommend selecting a bracket from Hemlock Hill. We'll install the TV for you. And you'll be all set with one inside the unit also. It does come with a radio with an auxiliary and a USB port on it. And speakers that play not only inside the camper but also outside.
Very nice.
Now, along with the couch that folds into a bed, you have your booth dinette, which will also very easily become a bed too.
Oh, good.
The tabletop comes off, the legs come out, you slide this in, put the outside cushions in the middle, and you're all set. You also mentioned that storage was very important, and as we mentioned that before, we showed that before, but you have more storage underneath the booth
Very
dinette,
nice.
which is another nice place to put things. All right. Good sized refrigerator and freezer. All of your fuses are centrally located in a fuse panel box underneath the stove.
Okay.
So no longer do you have to worry about getting out and underneath the camper on a dark and rainy night, which is when you normally blow a fuse or, oh geez, I got too many things going on here. Everything is centrally located and for ease of use.
Very good.
It has a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, comes with a smoke alarm, an LP detection monitor, and also carbon monoxide detector.
Oh, wow. Very good.
Now, another thing that you mentioned to me, Jeff, was it's got to have a good size shower.
Correct.
And the Salem Cruise Light has exactly that. It's got a shower. I know you're a little bit taller than I am, but inside this shower, as you can plainly see, and I know you'll get in here, is it's accommodating to people of your stature. So it'll work for you.
It's very nice.
So it seems to have everything that you've mentioned that were most important to you. Wouldn't you agree?
I would.
All right, fantastic. Let's go inside, and I can show you how affordable this unit will be for you to get going on your camping experience.
All righty.